Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. A few months back I saw a video on YouTube where I saw a few videos where the people said they'll carry a plier, a water pump plier like this around and some screwdrivers and a pocket knife on the side. I don't understand the whole meaning of it. For me it's a little bit useless because it depends on also what you're doing. You can't use a normal plier to loosen big bolts and nuts. Therefore, I use a socket set or spanners. So you can't use a leatherman for your primary tool to loosen bolts and nuts of big sizes. Also not a plier. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's nice to have a big plier, but it's everything has its job. So this is a nice and strong plier. As you can see, it's a good quality one because it slides into each other and can't slip. Some of the cheaper ones, there's some notches in this slide here that then it starts to wear out and slip. So this is a good quality pair of water pump pliers, and it weighs almost already as much as this Leatherman Wave Plus of mine. Maybe a little bit more, even when I have my hammer on it, the modification I've made on it. So on my Leatherman I have screwdrivers, I have knives, I have saws and files, everything I want or can need on it. I have a hammer on it also. Yeah, some people say you can use the plier as a hammer, but use the tool what it's made for, the right tool for the right job. So that's what I want to say. Here you can see I have a scale. Here's the plier alone. So it's already 450 grams. And then you're only carrying a plier around that can open up big and making loose of big nuts and bolts and stuff like that. So here's my Leatherman Wave Plus with its hammer, and it weighs 350 grams. So I have a lot more tools on this multi-tool than on the pliers, and then I have to carry screwdrivers and everything. So if you want to carry a water pump plier, then you can just as well carry your whole toolbox with you. Then you don't have to carry your Leatherman with you and extra stuff. Then you carry a toolbox, not a multi-tool. That's how I feel. And yeah, so every tool for its job, because you can strip the bolts and nuts also with the pliers. So that's why I use sockets or spanners that's made for it. So I would like to hear from you guys in the comments what you think, and tell me what you think about the video, and if there's something else you want to say. go and check out my other videos I've made of my hammer. I'm busy on making another one, a smaller one, so that will come in the future now. And as well, I've done other modification on my wave that I'm also busy with, so it's also one of the upcoming videos. Putting a T-shank on my leatherman wave, then I can swap and change between axle blades, jigsaw blades, sorry, not axle blades, but yeah, so that's one of the things I was thinking could be better on. But yeah, that's for another video. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below what you think about this video. Thank you.